Managing income and expenses is crucial for the success of an investment for a rental property owner. So, for property managers, understanding and handling property owner disbursements is key. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving deep into managing disbursements to real estate property owners, a crucial, often overlooked aspect of property management. Disbursement management ensures that property owners receive their due payments on time while covering taxes and other expenses. It's critical for maximizing investments, ensuring tax compliance, avoiding legal hiccups, covering costs, and facilitating portfolio expansion. There are three main types of disbursements: rental income, which is the rent tenants pay; profits, which are the amounts left after expenses; and expense reimbursements, covering costs like repairs. In addition, security deposits, late fees, and other such fees are also part of owner disbursements. Various factors influence disbursement amounts like property location, its generated income, and ownership structure. So, it's vital to understand these elements. To manage disbursements, an efficient system is essential. Track finances, maintain records for all property-related transactions, and consider using an equity account for owner disbursements. Software solutions like DoorLoop can immensely assist in this process. A property management company is pivotal in managing disbursements. They handle rent collection, accounting, tax compliance, and offer peace of mind to real estate owners. Typically, they charge a flat fee, a percentage of rents, or a combo of both. Timely rent collection is a must. Property managers ensure compliance with leases, use various collection methods, and screen tenants rigorously to ensure reliability. Staying tax compliant is crucial. Property management companies offer services that streamline tax payments and reporting, saving owners for potential penalties and legal hurdles. And the property's ownership structure can influence disbursements. Be it a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC, each has its pros, cons, and tax implications. It's imperative for managers to comprehend these distinctions. To manage disbursements effectively, it's important to maintain impeccable records, ensure timely rent collection, implement best practices for disbursement management, and consider using property management software. Software tools like DoorLoop automate tasks, improve efficiency, and offer real-time data access. They help streamline operations, enhance communication, and ensure robust data security. Want to simplify your disbursement management? Check out DoorLoop and discover how we can assist you. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.